While everyone panicking about AI taking their job, something very different is happening. The more technology advances and the more human depth is needed. These five skills I am about to share, AI can't learn them, code them, or fake them. But if you master them, you will become AI proof, future ready, and purpose aligned. Because the truth is, AI can write, draw, and analyze, but it can't be feel, imagine, connect, or evolve like you can. Five skill AI will never replace. Build these now. Namaste. I am Sunil Mishra, a former solution architect turned digital dharma mentor. After 18 years in IT, I learned the hard way that success without inner mastery leads to burnout, and AI is now exposing that truth faster than ever. The video is a roadmap to help you future proof your career while aligned with your higher purpose. Let's begin where most people are right now, AI anxiety. You open LinkedIn or YouTube and every headline screams AI is replacing job. Automation will wipe out 300 million roles. Fear kicks in and your mind starts racing. Will I still be relevant? How do I compete? But here's is what most don't realize. AI is replacing tasks, not talents. It's automate repetition, but what it can't replace are the human dimension that make you irreplaceable. When AI tools started showing up in my projects, I felt a mix of fascination and fear. But after months of reflection, I noticed something profound. The colleagues who thrived were not the one who mastered the most tool. They were the one who mastered themselves. The one who could think deeper, connect authentically, adopt faster. They became leader, not follower. And that's when I made a decision. Instead of trying out outcode I will out human it. So behind principle, here is the principle. In every era of technology, the one who thrive are those who blend tool with truth. These five skills I am about to share are not just professional, they are spiritual disciplines because they help you express your dharma, your unique way of adding value to the world. Let's explore them one by one. So, skill number one, emotional intelligence. AI can analyze emotion, but it can't feel them. Emotional intelligence is your superpower, the ability to stay centered under chores. EI is not about being nice, it about being aware. Awareness of your thoughts, reaction and the energy you bring into every meeting, call or code review. So mini practice is here. Before every task, pause for 30 seconds. Inhale deeply. Ask yourself, what energy I am bringing into this? This mindfulness reset build clarity and no AI algorithm can replicate that. Skill number 2, strategic thinking. AI can give data, but strategy come from context. Strategic thinker see pattern that tool can't. They connect purpose with plan. Example, imagine you are leading an AI integration project. Anyone can automate report, but the real question is why does it matter? Strategy is about designing meaningful impact, not just system. Remember, AI executes instruction, but only human can decide the direction. Skill number 3, creative problem solving. AI can remix ideas, but it can't imagine the unseen. Creative problem solving is about combine logic with institution. Every great innovation from Steve Jobs to Elon Musk was born from asking deeper question, not faster question. Try this. When faced with a challenge, don't rush to ChatGPT or Google. First, sit quietly for 2 minutes and ask, what is the problem behind this problem? That silence is where creativity is born. Skill number 4, authentic communication. AI can generate text, but it can't build trust. Authenticate communication is more than speaking well, it's speaking from alignment. In an era where everything is automated, authenticity is currency. So when you talk, let your words come from clarity, not or comparison. Let your email video meeting reflect your truth, not templates. Because while AI speaks to the mind, authenticity speaks to the soul. Skill number 5, adaptive learning. So, the final skill, adaptive learning. AI evolves every week, but your learning is not just about upgrading tool, it's about upgrading consciousness. Adopting learner stay curious, humble and flexible. They don't say, I know this already. They ask, what else can I learn today? In digital Dharma framework, this is called Shraddha, living with curiosity and reverence. When you learn not just for success but for service, you grow exponentially. AI adopt through data, you adopt through awareness. So here is your 30-day practice plan. Week 1, practice daily mindfulness. This implement your emotional intelligence. Week 2, study one business or life strategy daily. This implement your strategic thinking. And week 3, solve one real world problem differently. This implement your creative problem solving. And week 4, share your insights publicly. That implement your authentic communication. And through all 4 weeks, stay open, curious, evolving, or adaptive learning. These skills will make you AI proof, purpose driven, and future ready. In part 3, I will reveal my complete 90-day research system, how to realign your tech career with your dharma and design a freedom lifestyle. So hit subscribe, drop a comment with AI proof, and join the tribe of digital warriors creating success with soul. I am Sunil Mishra, reminding you, code your purpose, elevate your soul.